Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Italian chicken Milanese. Let's get straight into it. So I'll be doing this recipe based on 2 chicken breasts. So all I've done is just slice them through the middle and butterfly them. So what we're going to do is just cover it with some cling wrap. You can also use baking paper if you prefer. And just using a tenderizing hammer on the flat side, all we want to do is tenderize this, flatten it out and make it thin. Now don't freak out that it's gone yellow. I happen to have some saffron on my knife, but that's alright. Saffron flavour works good on everything. So we'll repeat this again with the second breast as well. So we'll set that aside for now, and just into a bowl we're going to crack in 1 egg. And to our egg we'll just add about a 1/4 cup of full cream milk. And we'll just give that a quick mix, and this will be our egg wash. Now just into another bowl here, I've just got 1 cup of plain flour. We're just going to very basically season this with a pinch of salt, some cracked pepper, and I'm also going to add just a small touch of sweet paprika. And we'll give that a quick mix as well. Now just into another bowl here, I've got 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Once again, we'll season this with a pinch of salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon of dry oregano, and to really take the breadcrumbs to the next level, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese. Now this is just very finely grated, and all we're going to do is mix this as well. Okay, so now we can get to cooking. So what we're going to do now is put this together. So we'll start off with one of our chickens, straight into the flour. Make sure it gets a good covering, and that's very important or else everything else won't stick to it. Just like that. Next we'll dip it into our egg wash. Once again, give it a good covering. Make sure it's all covered. And next, get the excess off and straight into our breadcrumb mixture. And this being the last layer, make sure it's got a really good covering, because this is the best part. Just like that. So let's move on to our stove. So guys, just into a frying pan on a medium heat, I've added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that's nice and hot, we'll add our chicken straight in, just like that. After a couple of seconds, just give it a quick shake, just to release it. Now total cooking time will take around 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Obviously chicken has to be cooked all the way through. So after about 3 minutes, as you can see, it's starting to get a light brown on the sides. That indicates that we can turn it over. So we'll carefully turn it over. Just look at how beautiful that looks. So the parmesan is responsible for a lot of that beautiful colour. So after another 3 minutes, it should be nice and golden brown on the other side too. So let's serve. So our chicken goes straight on like that at the bottom of our plate. And just in a small bowl here, I've got about half a handful of fresh rocket. We're going to season this with some salt, and a touch of olive oil, and about 2 tablespoons of freshly shaved parmesan. Mix that together. We'll bring our chicken back. That goes straight on top. And I'm going to drizzle a touch of lemon juice on it. And we'll serve it up with a fresh lemon as well. And there we have it. That's how we make chicken Milanese. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.